this was someone's home.
And now it's nothing but chimneys.
There was fire surrounding everything, and they were telling people to just drive through it, it's the only way out. I got out of the fire, and I had to pull over and just cry. Whew. My family's safe, and that's all that matters to me.
My classmates and I heard the stories and experienced the fires that hit Northern California. I mean, paradise is just up the road. It takes about 20 minutes to get there. We just wanted to do something uplifting for the community.
For me, before the fire, and for a lot of teenagers, we always had this vision of leaving and going to something better, but this fire has really made us recognize that paradise will always be home for us.
We're home.
The people here are really strong. People that care about each other, people that help each other, and I think those things that made our community the best before the fire are going to be the same things that rebuild our community. It'll take time. Our community needs hope.
This project means even more because we get to tell the story using our creative passion of media and film.
We wanted to show just how important paradise is to the people that call it home, and we can't wait to show our final result to the community.
Here we are, finally. Through everything that Paradise has been through, we hope that this video can give you guys some joy and hope.
There's the road we drove on so many times. We were young and all the things that seem so plain are running through my veins.
There's the river tinted gold. You look at me as you hold my hand and say we're back again, and we are not leaving. We're home.
This is the home that I grew up in. Right here is the playground Mike took my kids to play. This is the home.
It was a beautiful area here. It will be beautiful again. It will be.
We're home.
Just when you think your children can't impress you anymore, you guys go and do something like this. Thank you. We all have a whole bunch of healing to do, but we'll get through it.
It really gives me hope to see kids pull together to do this for someone else in the middle of ash, that great things can still come. I could just see the future for a moment, like a glimpse. I loved it.
This entire thing was surreal. To be able to be a part of this team is an honor, and see that we can make something good out of a terrible situation.